Lung damage is often the result of years of exposure to cigarette smoke, environmental pollutants, viruses, and other toxins. So people with lung damage naturally look for ways to clean their lungs and reverse the damage that has taken place. Happily, your lungs are designed by nature to clean and repair themselves to a degree if given the chance. Pulmonologists, doctors who specialize in lung health, suggest the following. If you smoke, stop. This includes vaping. Avoid places where there's a lot of secondhand smoke. Protect yourself against common infections by getting flu and pneumonia vaccines, washing your hands often, and avoiding contact with anyone who has signs of a cold, like a sniffly nose or a frequent cough. Avoid environmental pollution, both indoors and outdoors. Use cleaning products that are free of volatile organic compounds, fragrances, and irritants. Vacuum your living areas regularly. If you contract a lung illness like pneumonia or acute bronchitis, your lungs will usually recover on their own. Doctors agree there's no need to buy vitamins, special teas, or essential oils that claim they can detox your lungs. There is no scientific research to support claims that any such products actually reverse lung damage. To learn more about reversing lung damage and keeping your respiratory system healthy, click on the links in the description section for this video.